ornamental fisheries in India, about 5 years back, we always used to say the giant is sleeping. It's a sleeping giant. But now I say the giant has awakened up. A lot of changes have occurred during the last 7 to 8 years in ornamental fisheries sector, and aquarium traders, and surprisingly, this is one of the sector in entire fisheries, I will say, that basically this sector has developed because of the major contributions from ornamental fish producers and aquarium traders. I am happy to announce that my farm was the first farm in inland states which was financed by MPDA. For that, I appreciate MPDA because MPDA scheme was very, very good. Later on, they included, Rajasthan was included, Madhya Pradesh was included, and Himachal Pradesh was also included. But I want to invite your attention to the potential of ornamental fisheries in the country. Still, after so many years, we are a very, very small segment. There are about, as on date, there are about 11,000 shops in the country. There are about same number of ornamental fish producers. With the help of financial help from under PMMSY, around 2,800 ornamental fish breeding unit has been established. But the potential of the demand of our country, we can easily, there is requirement of about 28,000 aquarium shops in the country. The sector is so big that we can grow to 3,000 crore domestic. The domestic value of the ornamental fish trade as on today is around 1,000 crore, but it is having the potential to grow to 3,000 crore. But when we talk of ornamental fish, we have to be very careful. The project of ornamental fish are not as lucrative as Vatsal has described. If you think of making crores, don't come in ornamental fish production. If you think of supporting large number of people for earning their livelihood, then you are welcome in ornamental fish sector. If you are planning to think that you should produce discus, which is sold at a price of 5,000, 10,000 rupees,